Okay, so canvas time. This one is a bit gnarly, a bit ropey around the edges. As you can see, not great. So, plan is get the bobbers all undone, and then we'll undo it from the base. I believe it's held down with this metal or aluminium trim. It has this on the inside on the lower edge, and on the raised edge it's got two sides to it, or 3 sides to it where it goes on the front. Yeah, so do the clips first, then we'll try that and see if we can get the canvas off. So we've got the back, we've got about 8 screws holding it in. Doesn't look too bad. It's actually pretty good condition really, but we're gonna put a new one on because it will transform the look of the camper, I think, once we've got the rest of this stuff sorted out. Okay, so we got that off, and it looks like the canvas might come off without too much of a fight. Pretty good. I've got the roof off. It's a fibreglass roof with a candy green canvas. Actually looks quite solid. I mean, it's going to need a bit of fibreglass enforcement in bits, or reinforcement, but it came off in one piece. And yeah, really pleased. The roof is off. Now full convertible. Still got the canvas supports on, but they can come off quite easily. The actual roof was quite easy to take off. Very surprised. A little bit of surface rust. Nothing to worry about. Got a couple of captive nuts I need to re-weld, but that's fine. Awesome.